Hi there, it's Brianna with WTI, and ladies, your teacup collection set is not complete until you pick up these two beauties.
This is the teacup set from JOYOFUN. You have 2 teacups and 2 saucer plates. These teacups are perfect for enjoying your favorite beverages in style. First off, let's talk about the design. These teacups feature a stunning floral pattern that's sure to brighten up any kitchen or dining space. So you have one teacup in this vibrant red and the other in this serene dark green. The intricate floral designs on both cups are meticulously crafted. You have an intricate floral design on the saucer plate as well as on the inside of each teacup, which adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to your tea or coffee time. These teacups are made from high-quality ceramic, ensuring durability and longevity. The ceramic material also provides excellent heat retention, keeping your beverages warm for longer periods. Each teacup has a very comfortable gold-painted handle that fits perfectly in your hand. Both of these cups, as well as the gold paint, is BPA and lead free. And they also come with 2 gold spoons. These teacups are definitely going to elevate your tea time experience and are so nice for when you have guests over. I highly recommend them.
But that's just my point of view.